Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode, we are continuing Svelte and we're gonna trigger some click events and we're gonna see how simple it is to trigger once event inside Svelte. So in order to do that, I have to create obviously a JavaScript section for my Svelte. Here I'm gonna make a function. I'm gonna say it const message, and I'm gonna do an arrow function, and here I'm gonna do an alert. I'm gonna say you pressed the button. You press the button. Here I'm gonna create a button, symbol button. Press it. I'm gonna say press it. Press it. Okay, I've got it. I hope everyone is seeing it. Here I press the button and nothing is triggering. I cannot see my alert. Why? Because here I have to make an on-click event. I have explained it on my previous video. If you want to see it, I have it on my channel. You can see on my playlist of Svelte, obviously. I'm gonna say on click, okay? I'm gonna trigger my function of message. Triggered here. Okay, press save. You press the button. Okay, but I don't want this happening like this, okay? I wanna just click once, and after that, when I click it, I don't want to trigger this function. How can I do that? I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna do the semicolon, the else colon. And here I'm gonna say once. Okay, I'm gonna press save. Separative colon, I don't know how we call it exactly. Maybe it's the separative or maybe it's the else colon. And now when I go to press it, you press the button, okay? I want to press it again. And now I cannot press it once when I click it once, okay? So I want to keep this video so simple, so short. I want to show it to you. Maybe it works to you. Maybe you want to use it somewhere in your projects. I don't know. Thanks for watching me. Please like this video if you liked it, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents, more interesting contents. Until then, have a nice day, be safe, and see you in my next video. I love you all. See you soon. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye bye.